Okay, I gotta film quick. There's people across the street doing some very loud sawing into concrete. So I might have like a 10-second window here, but I'm gonna jump in. Now I'm like, what do I say? Okay, hello, I'm Shailene. Welcome to another studio vlog. This video is just another quick, like, one day in the studio with me, packaging some orders, doing a little bit of painting, doing some printer troubleshooting. That was driving me kind of nuts. And I'm also looking at some canvas tote bags that I got from Printify, trying to decide which designs I like best, or which prints turned out the best, I should say. And I think that's pretty much it. Pretty short and sweet, and I really enjoyed creating this. I hope you enjoy as well. And let's jump in. After a bunch of troubleshooting, I finally figured it out, and it looks good. Back to normal, as you can see, compared to the larger print. haven't quite finished this one, but I'm liking how it's turning out. I wasn't sure about that background, but yeah, I think it's nice. I actually really love how these little sea salt effects worked. I don't always love the look of using salt on paintings, but I think I might be changing my mind about that because it's a really cool effect. Tell me what you guys think.